right, had to do a quick run up here to basically Woodbury Commons. Had to buy some Avus wheels finally for this ride, but I got the B6 S4 18s. You know what? I like those wheels because they're a little bit more like sharper, especially the edges. They have a nicer look than, let's just say, a 18-inch S8 wheel. And those were available also, but actually for more money. You know, this guy had it for sale or whatever. I went with these. Actually, I think I got a pretty decent price on them, and they're in really good shape considering I don't really need to. Could really just throw them on. I just saw one nick, and that could be shaved down. But paid $360, and you know what? Really can't complain. Nice little run. Got my navigation on home, which is nice. One of the things here up in New York, the thruway, these people love the left lane, just like everywhere. I mean, it's just, you know, it's funny. Now this guy wants to drive. Isn't that funny? Yeah, okay, buddy. Yeah. Now you want to go fast? I always love that too. You know what's funny? You wouldn't think that this 20-year-old car is intimidating, but it is. Because I see a lot of people trying to challenge me. I had some nerd with a Cayenne the other day trying to take me. Not happening. Especially, I took him in the turns, took him on the straightaway, took him everywhere. And you know what? Guy can't drive. That's really the case. Is this thing quick? Not really. You know, it's not bad for what it is. I will tell you, you know, I drive a lot of 4-cylinders, but it is really nice to drive an 8-cylinder. I'm not going to lie at all. 8 cylinders, really nice, the pep of it. You know, not expecting it to be peppier than what it is and stuff like that. So that's what I like. I like that feeling. High-speed Odyssey. But you know what? I'll give the Odyssey credit. It does have power. You know? I'll let this nerd go. Let him roll. You know, it's funny too, like me. I won't race certain people. I'm just like, yeah, no thanks. You know what I mean? This Q8, yeah, I'll run this guy. But I won't run an Odyssey. For what purpose do I need to do that for? And you know what? Some of the time too, I will, you know what? If I'm like, I'm going to blow this guy away, I don't even need to be bothered. It's just like, but if they annoy me, I'll basically, you know, destroy them for like, I don't know, 2 football fields, and then I'll do this. You know, I would come over, I'll get back in the right lane and just kind of chill, because that's how I do it usually, just to make my point. You know what? I don't mind people getting cut off in the left lane. These guys are like, you know, they're camping in there. There's no reason for that. I like this Odyssey style. Me, I just went to this right lane, but, you know, that's just me. But once in a while, I will create some havoc of, you know, cutting the people off in the left lane, because I really do. I enjoy it. I'm not going to lie. I do enjoy skimming people's bumpers, getting very close to them, especially when you know your vehicle. You know, like, where it ends, where it begins, and you're a good driver. Why not? Let's cause a 50 car pile up behind you. You know, nothing wrong with that. You know, it's crazy. Oh, but it's not the other person's fault. Yeah, it is. How is it that the person knows from getting on the entrance to go right over there? Why do they do that? For what purpose? And I always say it in all these videos, right lane is usually the fastest lane, because there's always less people traveling in it for most of the time, especially in traffic situations. All right, this truck wants to get over. For what oh, that's why. Okay, another truck. Yep. And you should always do that too. If you can get over, especially with cops, if you see a cop in the right lane having somebody pulled over, you better get out of that lane. You know, in some states, areas, whatever, if you don't, they will pull you over and give you a ticket for that too. So just your friendly car hater tip of the day.